Oh.
How you doing? Can you give me a hand with that?
I will. Let me get this gate down.
Here we go.
Oof. All right.
I got this.
So what do you got? Got a core door with a veneer on the front here?
Absolutely, yes.
You got it? You good?
I got it. All right, let's put it on a horse there.
Yes,
And we're gonna put the white side down.
White side down? There's,
Yes.
there's another color on the other side?
Well, take a look at it. You wanna flip that way?
Ready?
Here we go.
Oh my gosh, Mauro! What?
There we go. There it
Check
is.
this out!
It's just like a mirror.
This is your new thing, right? A big pop of color on the front and a high sheen.
Absolutely. I got this thing for front doors. High gloss to me, always nice.
That's phenomenal. So we got some hardware to do for the mail slot.
Hardware
I'll
to
take
do
these side
there.
things off.
Okay.
And are you going to give us the secret formula how you actually pull this off?
Well, I like to use this paint that comes from Holland. This is an exterior marine, call it oil base, ultra high gloss enamel.
So you spray the first coat.
I spray the first coat. That takes from 18 to 24 hours to dry.
Wow.
Yes.
Okay. And then after the first coat's dried?
After the first coat dries, we come by, we lightly sand with the 400 grit paper again and spray the second coat.
Another 14 hours to dry?
Another 14 to 24 hours.
And then what about the third coat?
Well, the third coat, I use a mini roller where we roll everything, and then I want to see a little bit of that brush work in it.
So you tipped it with a brush?
With a brush, yes.
You want to see that brush stroke. So what do you think? Something with this many coats, high gloss,
Yes.
DIY project? Do you think someone who's intrepid can get through it, or are they always calling you?
Well, I mean, most of the time they call me. Right? But I mean, if you like to paint, you can do it. But it's a lot of work. You got to understand the process, how this paint works. This paint works different from any other paint.
Yeah.
It's a high gloss, it's thick, you're gonna thin it down, you know, and it's a lot of work. Sanding in between coats, it's a process.
You want to hang this thing?
It's ready to go.
Here we go. Bottom one's in, middle one. All right, I got it. You got the pins?
I got the pins, hold on. Done.
All right, the mail slot is on. We will get this
so
hardware
good.
on in a second, but I just want to put it up there to see the effect. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo.
Right?
Check that out.
Unbelievable.
It looks awesome. The contrast is great. The pop of color and the gloss. You see it when you come by the street right here.
Exactly, just like a mirror.
Perfect. It is exactly the finishing touch we need. Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.